Good morning, everyone. My name is Adawi. I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate cookies. First, we have to put butter. Come out. Come out, butter. Come out. Spatula. What's it for?
To just spread it out. Hold on.
Okay. You said first the butter. So that's already the first ingredient. Okay? Now the butter's done in. Okay? Okay. Okay? This is butter in. And this is brown sugar and this is sugar. This is flour. And this one is chocolate chip and this one is egg. That's all the ingredients we have to make. Now let's put brown sugar. All we have to do is put the brown sugar. Stir it. Okay, now white sugar. Pour it. Okay. There's some more. There's some more. Then give me something to take them all out. This one. Okay. Now put down. Brown sugar full. Okay. Now can I put the flour? Let's put egg. That's what did I not flip. Who wants this? Why? Oh, it's too heavy. No, that's perfect. No. Oh, sorry. Oh, look at that. That's my blower. Why? Let's put baking soda. Ah, yes. Okay, now chocolate chip is left. Okay. Let me change some left and I'll stop. Okay? Now let's mix it. This can't work.
I'll help you.
Can I use a spoon?
No, you have to do this.
Okay. Now can I do it?
Yeah.
Now I know how. It's too heavy.
Okay, it's done.
Now what do we do? Now what? Now we are done making cookies. Now we'll put chocolate cookies that because I like it. There's 3 of them. Ah! Moving the upside down like an eye.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
So we can do it faster?
Yeah. Let's do it together.
Okay.
Teamwork is a teamwork is a dreamwork. Okay, now it's ready. So then another for 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Still after 30 minutes. And now from the switch, and now we're going to put it in this oven. Okay,